Hi everyone.
Hello.
Hi. We have a group of Speed Queen dealers here and we are going to purposely stain clothes.
Not our clothes, right?
That's not ours.
So we'll start with that. Put it all the way around. Perfect. She's got ketchup. Smeared around good with that spoon all over. Scrape those gobs off. And what do you tell your customers when they come in and say the ketchup didn't come out?
Washability is the #1 concern of all customers right now. I honestly think that with the right pre-treatment on that, that's an easy stain to get out in a machine like this.
Come on up.
So you're not going to pre-treat it.
All right, Andrea, let's do the heavy-duty cycle. Max soil, because we got ketchup to do.
Okay.
There it goes. Why don't you pass this around?
Oh, wow. Pouring right over all the clothes. This is a really good example of thoroughly being saturated. Like it.
What does it look like inside, and how is it different from other washers?
Well, one of the things I really notice is that when the washer tub is spinning and turns to it comes to a stop, the agitator is already rotating back the other way to get a good wash action on the clothes.
And I think it's showing, how much water is actually going through the clothes. That's very impressive. And how quiet it is. That's amazing.
Yes.
Other manufacturers, the top layer, it seems like, won't be clean and it will be not very wet and still come out dry.
Especially the ones without the agitators,
Correct.
they never get to the bottom.
And I think it's very gentle on the clothes. It's not beating them up.
The wash cycle is done. How do you all think the items turned out? Bill,
I think they're all clean because the wash action that we saw in the video was pretty darn good.
I think, if anything, there might be just a very faint color on the ketchup that we put on. Can't wait to see.
People that want to pack these machines full, it's not going to clean like it should. They've got to load it the way it's supposed to be loaded. So I think we did that well with this one.
Let's take them out. Here we go.
Wow, that's very impressive.
Very impressed.
Can you see where the ketchup was?
I don't know if I can. I don't think I can.
Give it a thorough inspection.
Wow.
And it wasn't even pre-treated.
Cleanability is evident right here, and I liked how quiet it was, how easy it was to get the cycle started. I'm very impressed.
What does it mean to you as an independent dealer to have a quality product like Speed Queen that gets the job done?
All of the products that we sell, we try to have the best type of products because that's our reputation. Now I'm very proud to be a Speed Queen dealer because I know it's going to work and I know my customers are going to be satisfied.
Not only is it cleaning well, it's something that we're not going to have to worry about for repair, and we're not going to have to worry about replacing it in 5 to 7 years. It's something that's going to last for them.
Thank you for smearing this napkin with ketchup and doing this test.
Thank you.
And go sell some Speed Queens.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.